Welcome all in Advanced Communication Lab. Today's experiment topic is study of bending loss in optical fiber. The objective is to measure bending loss in optical fiber. Required equipment is optical fiber trainer kit and one mandrel and also a optical fiber cable and some connecting wires and BNC probe. Okay, we know the kit, trainer kit. In previous experiment we explained. I explained the kit. Again I explained the function of kit and also the connection of the kit. Okay, the fiber optics kit, we require fiber optics cable. This is the cable need to connect modulator and demodulator part, and this is function generator part. This is function generator part. Function generator part is connected to, this is the input. We get input from here. This input is connected to the emitter circuit or modulator. Then the fiber optics node and the cable is connected these 2 points, and there is demodulator. And the demodulated output is going to the amplifier. Then we get the output by the help of BNC probe. And the observation through the CRO. Okay. At first, we go for the theory. We need to use mandrel. Okay. And the fiber optics cable need to like that we turn the fiber optics cable on the mandrel, and this is the circuit diagram. Okay, and we use the previous, that is this formula to measurement the loss. This is V2 by V1 equal to e to the power alpha L1 plus L2. Okay, next go for the second part. Second part, this is the mandrel. Okay, this is the mandrel. At first we need to measure the input. This point is connected to here for the input. Now observe that this is input. Input frequency is 1 kilohertz and voltage is 5 volt, because the one division is 5 and one division is covered by the voltage. Okay. Next, the cable is connected to the demodulated output after the amplifier. Okay. Next we measure the output voltage. The output voltage is big division. Big division is big division is 1, 2, 3. 3 point. और ऊपर दिखे small division is 3, that is 0.6, that is 3.6 into 5. Okay, this output voltage is without the bending. Okay, that is V1 is 3.6 into 5. Next part is to bend, need to bend. Okay, the bending required to open cable, fiber optics cable by use the mandrel. This is the mandrel. This is the procedure to bending Okay. This is the procedure to bending. After bending is the output voltage is showing the DSO, sorry CRO, and the measurement is the voltage covered 2 big division and 3 small division, that is 2.6 and 2.6 into 5. The voltage is 2.6 into 5. Okay, this is the V2. This is the required V2. Okay, and next go for the calculation. This is the formula. V2 is 2.6 into 5 and V1 is 3.6 into 5, and alpha is need to require to measure, and L1 is 1 meter, L2 also 1 meter. Okay, next we need to measure the alpha, and this is the loss for 5 turns of the fiber optics cable. Okay, this is our experiment.